It's so much fun to get these rugs back from being cleaned because oftentimes the quality of color can't really be seen. The subtleties can't really be seen. I mean, this juxtaposition of the blue and the blue-green, which is so subtle and so beautiful, might not have even been apparent to me when I got the rug. And the contrast of the light and the dark very often is not as strong because the light colors get dull and dirty, and after the cleaning they pop, so you start to get some graphic elements that you didn't see before, or even just this wonderful little chessboard effect. This is a Kazak from the late 19th century, and it's really quite an unusual piece because you'll notice that the field is incredibly narrow. It's only this is actually the field, and all of these are borders. So the sum total of the borders way exceeds the center of the rug, which is quite unusual. Oh, this needs a lot of repair. It's had a lot of old repair that doesn't really match very well. Here you can see a lot of corrosion in the brown again. When we get rugs that have this degree of damage and old repair, sometimes it's not cost effective to do an actual restoration, but we sell them as is. And you look at this incredible blue-green in the aubergine. There's aspects of this rug that are fantastic. It's a fantastic border. Aren't they cute? So you have something that has so many nice redeeming qualities, but is such a monumental project to bring back all the way. You almost have to find somebody who's willing to accept it with all of its warts and love it for what it is.